Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. In this video, I will show you how to turn off parental controls on Android phone. Here's what we will cover. Open Parental Control Settings. Verify access or PIN. Turn off parental controls. Let us get started. Step number 1. Open Parental Control Settings. Open the Settings app. Then scroll down and tap Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Step number 2. Verify access or PIN. Tap Parental Controls. Then enter the PIN or use the linked Google account to verify access. Step number 3. Turn off parental controls. Tap Turn off parental controls. Then enter the PIN again to confirm and disable it on your device. And that is how to turn off parental controls on Android phone. And hey, for disclaimer purposes only, turning off parental controls removes content restrictions and monitoring features on the device. Make sure you have permission and the correct PIN or account access before making changes. Steps and menu names may vary depending on your Android version and device brand. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more smart Android tips and tricks. Got any questions? Please drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.